maybe it should be a good news for me to be trading with 5k in my account, but that's not the case, guys. That is not the case right now. There's something else ongoing. This is my first ever prop firm challenge account I've acquired, and I'll be trading it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you basically 4 things, right? The first thing is how I feel for acquiring this particular account, how I feel acquiring my first ever prop firm challenge account, guys. And also I'll share with you why I opted in for it, why I actually took this challenge account. And the third thing that I'll share with you is, excuse me, hope you know mad at me. All right, so the third thing that I'll be sharing with you is how I got the account, and I'll also share with you how I plan to go forward with this account. And of course, every step of this journey, I want to be sharing them with you right here on this channel. Right, it have win or whatsoever, you're gonna know. Like, I'm gonna give you update, right? So first off, guys, I feel super weird. And you know, I should be happy right now for acquiring this challenge, but listen, I'm not that much happy. All right, it's a challenge and another challenge onto myself again. Now let me explain, right? And most of you know me that I am not the person that kind of trades, you know, currency pairs like that. You see me trading synthetic indices with deriv, right? You see me trading synthetic indices like volatility 75, you know, volatility 100 and stuff like that. That's what I do trade most often, right? So I'm not the type of person who is really into currency pairs trading, right? I tried trading currency pairs, but what happened is that you'll see me taking a trade today, tomorrow I'll not take, then next week you see me taking another trade again. Like, I'm just inconsistent with the currency pairs, and I tried several, but it didn't work. So right now I think this is what can help me maybe to push up a little bit. So I've actually acquired this challenge account to challenge myself to be consistent in the currency based aspect of forex trading, right? That is the main reason I went in for this particular prop firm challenge account. This account, I obtained it, or I bought it from CONSUMMATE TRADERS. The link is in the video description. You can also go ahead, hop onto the challenge, and let's roll this together, right? So they were running a promo at the time I got the account. The promo actually pushed me in. I've been planning to acquire the account, but I've been doing some lackadaisical moves. Oh guys, I'm sweating, like, yo, I'm sweating thinking about the accounts that I'll be trading. I'm just sweating, guys. I'm sweating. All right, I think this is a bit better, right? At the time I got the accounts, you know, there was a promo ongoing. It was actually a Friday NFP, right? NFP Friday that I got the account. So they're running a promo of 35% discount of any package at all you want. So I went in for the smallest package. So literally I got it around approximately $32. It was initially $49, so I got it at $32. So that is the account I'll be trading on, and I'll be updating you on for the rest of, I don't know, till whatever happens, right? That's what I'll be taking you through, right? So that's how I was able to get the account. Now, guys, I'm not going to lie, I've had so many plans on moving on with this account, but I don't know which one is going to be the best for me, because right now I feel nervous. Like, I don't know, I feel some way. I don't know if this is how the feeling is if you are trading a prop firm account for the first time, but guys, yo, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Maybe if you've traded a prop firm account before, you can just go ahead and share with me how it felt like the first time going to start a challenge account. You have to go through the phase 1, phase 2. You have to pass these phases to get funded, right? So right now I'm starting and I have to pass the phase 1 and I have to pass the phase 2. So I think phase 1 I have to make like 8% profits within 60 days on the account I've acquired, right? And the phase 2 I think I have to make, I've forgotten the exact value, right? I have to make a 30% on phase 2 to get the account, right? But as it stands now, I feel like I've gotten something, right? I've gotten something because the time I bought the accounts, it was a Friday. Like I said earlier, it was a Friday, and that particular Friday I traded NFT. Initially I never wanted to trade it, so I just took a trade and I closed the trade immediately because I was like, this is my first ever prop firm challenge account and I'm going to be working with this, so why should I just hop onto a high impact news like that? At least I need to use my own analysis and analyze the market to trade, not just to follow any news like that, right? So I opened a trade and I closed it, so I made a profit actually. that was, should I say a lack? Yeah, it was a lack. Because I made a small profits, I think of $25, and yeah, that's about 0.05 or something like that percent of the account. I think 0.5, yeah, something like that of the account I've made so far. And now the deal is on. For the next few days, I will have to work really hard to make sure I don't fail this challenge, guys. I hope you're with me on this one. Like, just be with me and let's stay together in this, because I'll be updating you on every single trade I take. And yeah, most things that I do is I do write down stuff when I wake up in the morning, just to make sure I know what to do and what not to do, because I want to have time and trade. I will not be doing something else and come and no, it will distract me. So I want to like allocate time for the trading. I want to know the session that I'll be trading. Probably you'll see me trading London session and New York session. So probably I'm in Ghana and I'll start trading, let's say from 6 or 7. I should be with the chart and be trading by that time too. Oh yeah, I think somewhere in the afternoon too, when the two sessions overlap, the London session and the New York session, when they overlap, then I get to see some volatility in the market at that point too. I'll hop onto any opportunity I've seen in the market and see how best it will help me, guys. Like, I want y'all to be with me throughout this journey. It's going to be an interesting one that we're going to document right here and see how best we can grow with a prop firm account. So right now, our prop firm challenge begins. You can also hop onto this challenge by just hitting the link in the video description and buy any amounts or any accounts that you want to take, either 5k, 10k, and let's write this challenge together, right? Then guys, don't forget, pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for me. I need y'all on my back, because this is about money. And if I happen to pass the challenge, like, it's going to be hallelujah to each and every one of us on this channel. This is Godsway here. I'm super grateful, and I'm glad you checked out this video, and I'm glad you are sticking with me throughout this challenge that I'm challenging myself. It's two in one challenge. I'm challenging myself to be consistent in trading currency pairs, and I'm also challenging myself to get funded. Like, let's see if it's gonna be possible. I don't know, but let's see. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, but I would like you to stick closer and be with me throughout this journey. So go ahead, hit the like button on this video and also subscribe. I'll be much grateful for that. Turn on notifications so that when I update you on the next episode of this challenge account stuff, you'll get notified.